Reese, and today I'm doing my science experiment for my 8th grade science class. Today I have my test here where we're going to test which shape is the slowest parachute, so which will have the slowest incline. So we've got circle here, we've got triangle, and we've got a square here, each different colored people, so you know which one's which. And I think we're going to throw them here in a minute. Okay, so now we have the square as green, we have the triangle on blue, and we have the circle on red, helped by my assistant. And we're going to throw them at the same time outward because the wind's blowing at us a little bit. So, ready?
Count to three. 3, 2, 1, and throw?
Yes.
Okay, you do it.
3, 2, 1, throw! Looks like the square made it there. Oh, it landed on top of the circle one. Bonus points.
That was number 1?
Yep, that was our first take. We're going to do it out of 3 times. Okay, now we're going to do take 2. We've got square, triangle, and circle here again. And from our last trial, we can conclude that the square was faster, but the circle was second fastest. So we're going to throw it on the count of 3 outward, just like last time, in the same conditions and everything. So ready? 3, 2, 1, in. I think the square got tangled up in his own net there, so I wouldn't call that a fair trial, but that's why we do 3 trials, because sometimes things can go wrong. But so far, I think we can conclude that the square is the fastest, the square is the most useful because it is the slowest, and that's why, oh, there they are down there. If you notice there, the circle was actually the slowest because the square obviously was a defect, and the triangle, just like last time, isn't very helpful. So that's why the circle was the slowest this time. And now it's time for trial 3. We've got all of our same parachutes here, same string, same everything, because you've got to do it fair if it's science. So ready? On 3, 2, 1, drop. And there we go, just like the first time the square was the slowest. So I think we can make our conclusion that the square would be the most useful parachute and a circle would be a nice alternative, if not. And I think it would also be reasonable to conclude that a triangular one would be more useful if you are meant to glide, probably why most hang gliders are triangles. So I believe that's our test for today. Thanks for watching. It's very bright.